I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by shutting down and disconnecting any external devices. This isolates the laptop keyboard. Once powered off, flip the machine to inspect for debris or corrosion and gently clean with compressed air. You then boot into BIOS or recovery mode to confirm whether keys register before the OS loads. If keys work in BIOS, the problem is software-related. If not, continue hardware diagnostics. Make sure to document any visible damage for later steps and warranty checks. You next move into software troubleshooting. Boot into safe mode and run the built-in keyboard troubleshooter and a quick malware scan to rule out interference. Once done, open Device Manager, uninstall the keyboard device, then restart to let Windows reinstall drivers automatically. Alternatively, download the manufacturer driver and update manually. If drivers were recently changed, use System Restore to revert to a working point. Make sure to test after each change so you know what fixed or didn't fix the issue. You finish by addressing hardware. Open the chassis following the service guide and reseat the keyboard ribbon cable. Friction connectors often loosen. If reseating fails, replace the keyboard assembly or individual scissor mechanisms, or use an external USB or Bluetooth keyboard while arranging repair. Once reassembled, verify functionality and run a full system test. If problems persist, boot a live USB Linux distribution to confirm hardware failure before buying parts. This one
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.